Hello students, let's continue with the prose Tiger Hills by V.P. Malik. In my last lecture, we have seen how the writer has described the Kargil event in the minutest details. Let's continue with the same. We have stopped here in the last lecture. So let's start from here again. One of the most difficult tasks during the course of a battle is to maintain one's hold on the ground captured before the next assault can be launched. Here the writer was saying that the most difficult task, once you have captured any land here, the main you can say aim is now to maintain or to have hold on that particular ground. And here the writer is saying same thing. When they had captured their certain place in the Tiger Hills, it was their duty to keep a hold on it. And they are saying before the next assault, means before the next attack can be launched by the enemy army. Throughout the next morning, artillery duels continued. Artillery duels here means combats or clashes between enemy's army and Indian army. So he's saying that throughout the next morning, artillery duels continued. There were clashes, or you can say combats between both the armies. Casualties mounted on both the sides. Casualties here you can see, you can say people killed or injured during the war. So on both the side, Indian army soldiers were also injured and killed, and enemy's army soldiers were also injured and killed. So both the on both the sides there were many casualties here. The grenadiers hung on to their precarious perch. Precarious means what? It was not safe, very dangerous, because the enemy's army had hold over it. So to just go and evacuate them from that place was very dangerous task. It was not at all safe. And perch here means a high seat or position, means it was not like a flattened land. It was on the edge, so it was very difficult. Now in the last paragraphs we have seen the writer has told it was not easy to climb the Tiger Hills here. They had to use mountaineering equipments for the same. But still with grit and determination they did it. Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav and his team members exhibited exceptional courage during this assault. Means they showed a lot of courage, very courageously they attacked the enemy's army here. At this stage, 8th Mountain Division realized that it would not be possible to evict the enemy from Tiger Hill completely as long as his supply lines along the western spur were intact. Means here they came with an idea here that it is not possible to evacuate the army from the Tiger Hill completely until and unless we stop the supply of all equipments, food and all to the enemy's army. Once we stop the supply line, they don't get the equipments, they don't get the food supply and all, they'll suffer, and we can easily win over them. That was the idea here. Mohinder Puri and MPS Bajwa then issued orders to 8 Sikh to attack and capture Helmet and India Gate, both located on the western spur. Means these two were the position from where the you can say equipments, food and all were supplied to the enemy army. So here Mohinder Puri and MPS Bajwa, they ordered the 8 Sikh to just go and attack there and try to have control over that area which was on western spur here, so that enemy's reinforcements to Tiger Hill top could be prevented. Means so that once they are not provided with food and equipment here, it will be very difficult for them to stay there for a longer time. The move was also intended to cut off enemy's supply route. The western spur of Tiger Hill extended up to 1.5 kilometers. The approach to the spur where 8 Sikh was deployed lay along a steep rock face, and ad hoc means what? When necessary or needed, you can say column of 8 Sikh led by Major Ravindra Singh and Lieutenant R.K. Sehrawat, comprising 4 JOC, means junior commander here, and 52 soldiers climbed this rock face under poor visibility condition and was able to capture India Gate after a tough fight. Means once they were trying to capture the India Gate, means which was on the western fur, and it was a very difficult task because there was a steep, it was a steep rock. As I told you, it was not a flattened land. The mountain has a steep, is steep in you can say shape here. So it was very difficult for them to climb the mountain and to fight with the enemy's army. But still, in all the poor conditions, that visibility condition, it was not visible there, but still our army managed everything. In this battle, Subedar Nirmal Singh led the assault platoon. He was engaged in hand-to-hand fighting till the end and was also responsible for beating back a counter attack. Means here he is saying Subedar Nirmal Singh, he with his you can say platoon, he had attacked the enemy here. They had hand-to-hand fighting till the end, and still they were able to beat them back when the enemy's army had counter-attacked them. Despite heavy casualties, means many people were injured, many soldiers were injured on both the sides, 8 Sikh exploited its success up to Helmet and captured this objective on 5th July. But still the 8 Sikhs who were given this task of capturing Helmet here, which was on western spur, they did it with their grit and determination, and they were successful in their objective on 5th of July. The enemy launched 2 counter-attacks with 40 to 50 personnel, but 8 Sikh fought gallantly and was able to repulse them. Means they tried to, the enemy's army tried to counter-attack with 40 to 50 personnel, but still the 8 Sikh, courageous Sikh fought very gallantly, very courageously, very smartly, very trickily they fought, and they were sent back, the enemy's army. Naib Subedar Karnal Singh and Rifleman Satpal Singh, who were part of a platoon deployed on the river slope of Helmet, showed exceptional courage. In one of these counter attacks, Captain Colonel Sher Khan of Pakistan Army was killed. His body was subsequently handed over to the Pakistani authorities. Other bodies of Pakistani soldiers found scattered around the battleground were collected and buried appropriately. Means it was that they the army did not try to you can say harm the religious feeling here. They knew that they were Muslims and all, so their dead bodies were properly buried. It was not there, it was lying like that only. They did not bother for it. And the Captain Colonel Sher Khan, who also died in the attack, it was very officially his dead body was handed over to Pakistan Army. In New Delhi, I had remained anxious all through the night, means the writer is saying, of 3rd July. The next morning, Krishan Pal, GOC, 15 corps rang up at 6 hours to inform me that 18 grenadiers had captured Tiger Hill top, and also that heavy fighting was going on. Means here early morning he got the news that the 18 grenadiers which were given the task of capturing Tiger Hill had succeeded in their objective here, and the fight is going on. After consulting him and Nirmal Chandar Vij, we decided to await confirmation from the JOC 8 Mountain Division. Means they had attacked the enemy's army in a multi-directional way from all the ways, east, west and all. So here they were waiting for the confirmation that surely they had won the war. At 7:30 hours, Mohinder Puri confirmed to me that the enemy would not be able to dislodge 18 grenadiers from the Tiger Hill top. It was not that once they have occupied the top of Tiger Hill that they won't be counter attacked. So they were waiting for the same before the big announcement, but still when they realized that it was impossible for the enemy's army to remove the 18 grenadiers from the Tiger Hill top, they found it that surely they have won the war. I duly informed Brajesh Mishra and the Prime Minister who was scheduled to address a public meeting in Haryana at the 10th hour. Means here the writer is saying then he felt that now for sure that we have won the Kargil war, and it is not that we won't be counter attack again. Once he was confirmed Then he informed Brajesh Mishra, who is an Indian diplomat and politician, and who was Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee's principal secretary and national security advisor from 1988 to 2004. And he also informed the Prime Minister here, who were scheduled to address a public meeting in Haryana. The defense minister was on his way to Amritsar when he landed at the airport. I gave him this exciting news at the airport only, he said. The date of 4th July 1999 was important for one more reason. Nawaz Sharif was due to meet the US President Bill Clinton later in the day. That time Nawaz Sharif was about to meet Bill Clinton, who is US President. Who was US President. About 10 to 15 hours before their meeting, we made sure that whole world came to know about the recapture of Tiger Hill and thus likely to outcome of the war. Means he found that this news can be very crucial when it is announced before they were about to meet Bill Clinton. So they made it sure that whole world comes to know that they have captured Tiger Hill here. For some time, Pakistan even denied the existence of such mountain featured and labeled the entire operation as a figment of our imagination. Means once the news started coming up, people all over the world came to know that it has been occupied by the Indian. When they had so much, you can say, fight with each other, Pakistan's army and Indian army. But still what happened? Pakistan tried to deny that there such kind of mountain only did not existed. The loss of Tiger Hill was a hard physical and psychological blow. Means they were not able to believe that they have lost such an important position here. In India, wave of jubilation and really replaced the gloomy mood of the people. As everyone were live watching it, so here you can say it was like they were very excited, they were very joyful, and they were enjoying it. People all over the country, they were very happy with this win. On 8 July, after the entire Tiger Hill objective had been cleared and the situation stabilized, means everything had been clear, the enemy's army had gone back, whoever are alive, the remaining people, the people who were injured, they were, you can say, they were given hospitalization, and the people, the soldiers who died here, they were been buried and all, everything was properly done now. 18 grenadiers hoisted the Indian tiger on Tiger Hill top. Throughout its tenure here means the act or a period of holding an important, especially political position. In the nearly 2-month-long war, the battalion acquitted itself with high professionalism and honor. Means those soldiers who were employed there, the soldiers who were fighting there, they really showed their professionalism and honor, love towards their country, displaying unshakable determination and collective valor. Means they showed their courage and determination here. All its members covered themselves with glory and notched up to of the finest victories for the Indian army. Notched up means what they achieved. After the war, as the battalion requested, the UN mission army headquarters sent it to the Sierra Leone, West Africa. There too, the battalion successfully carried out major rescue operation. That operation was Operation Kukri. They were sent for the next operation after that. So here students, we have seen how courageously our Indian army had fought for the Tiger Hills, which we just know by the name that it was Kargil war. But today, with the help of, or you can say, beautiful report of VP Malik, we come to know the minutest detail how actually the Tiger, you can say, Hill or Kargil war was fought, and how they tried to win over the, you can say, Tiger Hills by making the, you can say, plan of attacking the army in multi-directional way and all. So I hope you have understood the prose here. Here main objective of the prose is for you to know how to write a report. Means from this we come to know, though it is a write-up where the person is trying to give you in writing what event had taken place, but each and every minute detail is there. There is no question of us of asking then what happened, we didn't understand this and all, nothing. then there is no loophole in this report. So here this the main objective of this write up is only for you to know that how to write report, how to write a report of any event, you can say. I hope you have understood. Thank you.